Welcome back to Johnston Motors. Today we're featuring this 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sahara. This is a Sahara trim. JLU, Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is what that stands for. This is JL series. These came out in 2018. It's what they're making now. They're still making these. This is a 2020 model with right around 42 and some change on the miles, 42,000 miles. 42,500 I believe is what's on it right now. It's bone stock. It's a one-owner vehicle. It's in outstanding condition. It doesn't have any paint issues, body damage, anything like that. Speaking of paint, I absolutely love this color. It's called Ocean Blue Metallic. And yeah, just a really nice deep blue color. Being a Sahara, it's got some pretty good equipment on it. It's got your upgraded 18-inch wheels. And inside, that's where most of the stuff is. Obviously, you have the running boards on the side. As far as the interior goes, you get your leather seats, heated seats, remote start. Does have Trac-Lok rear differential, which is like an anti-spin basically. Leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped shifter knob, the upgraded 8.4-inch screen, and this does also feature the premium audio system, the Alpine system, which is really nice. So fairly loaded, got some pretty good features on it. As I said, this is a one-owner Jeep. And we just got it in, trade in here at Johnston Motors, and it's been really well maintained, really well taken care of. It was bought brand new in Norman, Oklahoma, and it does not appear to have hardly ever seen dirt. So I believe this was mainly just street driven. As I said, it's pretty much bone stock. There's nothing that's been modified on it except for this antenna over here, which isn't a big deal. You could put it back if it bugged you. But this is the four-door. Black hardtop. Hardtop's in pretty good shape, and this does feature the 2-liter Hurricane motor, 4-cylinder turbo mated to automatic transmission. So, and I will show you that motor right now. If you guys have any questions about this Jeep, you can reach us anytime at 940-808-2382, or send us an email to johnstonmotors54@gmail.com. Again, that number is 940-808-2382. Anyways, folks, thanks for checking this one out. 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited. Fantastic condition. Ocean Blue Metallic. Gotta love it. Thanks, y'all.